Hello everyone, my name is Adhin Parashar and I am participating from Delhi Institute for Hotel Management and Catering Technologies, Lajpat Nagar. So today I am going to prepare two dishes. In main course we have roasted leg of duck with orange jus accompanied with mushroom's nest, egg noodles and lavender oil. In dessert I will be serving rose flavored rice kheer mousse with golden pistachio crumble. So starting with the dessert, first I'll be making the base of our mousse, that is rose flavored rice kheer. Now, as soon as the milk comes to a boil, I'll add the soaked rice to it. For the flavoring, I have added rose syrup, and to sweeten the kheer, I'll be adding white chocolate. To give the kheer a mousse-like consistency, I'll be using gelatin and whipped cream. So first I'll bloom the gelatin and whip the whipping cream. After incorporating both the ingredients into my kheer, now I'll keep it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. I'll be using a very beautiful rose mold to set my mousse. Now I'll heavily dust the mold with pistachio dust and then I'll pour my mousse into it. Now that my mousse is set, it's time for plating. First, I've brushed my plate with raspberry sauce. Now I will add some pistachio crumble and serve it along with fresh cut fruits and edible flowers. So, moving on with the main course, I've taken a whole leg of duck and Frenched it. The other ingredients that I've used are egg noodles. I've used 4 types of mushrooms, namely shiitake mushrooms, button mushrooms, enoki mushrooms, and oyster mushrooms. Now I'll season my duck leg with orange zest, 5 spice powder, salt, and pepper. For my orange flavor jus, first I'll prepare a very good brown stock. I have added roasted bones of duck and now I'll let it reduce for about 3 to 4 hours. After sauteing the mushrooms, I'll sear the duck. For searing, I've started from a cold pan and kept it skin side down. The duck is now beautifully seared. Now I'll keep it in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes until it's medium rare. Now that my jus is beautifully reduced, I'll add orange juice to it. Finally, after completing all the elements of our main dish, now let's start with the plate up. Here I have made a mushroom's nest on the bottom of my plate and now I'll put my egg noodles on it. I have rested the duck meat for about 10 minutes now and now I will pour my orange flavor jus over it.